Hello everyone. Myself Sandhya Onkara Hire, Assistant Professor in Department of ENTC from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today's topic is mobile marketing. What is mobile marketing? Using interactive wireless media to provide customers with the time and location, sensitive and personalized information that promotes goods, services, ideas, thereby generating a value for stakeholders. All activities required to communicate with the customers through use of mobile device in order to promote the selling of products or services and the provision of information about these products and services. Mobile marketing or wireless marketing is the subset of electronic marketing. Types of mobile marketing: SMS, short message surveys. SMS happens to be a compatible with all mobile phones all over the world. SMS companions are mainly used by lifestyle companies like nightclubs to announce their special offers. SMS marketing solution might get attention of customers. Mobile text messaging can be used to invite targeted consumers to sample products and offer special loyalty rewards which may come in the form of free or bonus. Multimedia message surveys. By utilizing MMS, brands can explore marketing solutions beyond the text-based limitation of SMS and distribute the multimedia content such as pictures, music, or video. Example: distributing timely, targeted mobile message to hungry customers with local promotions and coupon drives, online orders, and increase the traffic through the door. MMS allows Pizza Hut to be in the right place at the right time. Present of mobile marketing. Push notifications. Promote smartly using push notification ads and bidding algorithms on desktop and mobile. Push advertising network for business. App-based marketing. In-app advertising primarily work with the third-party app where the brands can reach out to establish users for the app. In-game mobile marketing, it refers to the mobile ads that will appear within the mobile games. Mobile web marketing, it aims at reaching the target audience on their smartphones, tablets, or any other mobile device via websites, email, social media, and apps. Benefits of mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is most appropriate medium to achieve these goals, particularly because of several benefits that will offer to the business as well as marketers. These are listed below. Text message as the form of advertising is very cost effective. When offering a deals or coupons, the number of response can be easily calculated based upon the number of people who claim the offers. Response to the mobile marketing are almost 5 times higher than the response to the print ads. Mobile marketing over the cell phone is the fastest way to connect your customers. Thank you.